The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Pasco County in Florida, western Pinellas County in Florida, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado near Seminole, moving north at 50 miles an hour. If you are in the path of the tornado, go to a small interior room in a strong and well-constructed building. Cars and mobile homes are not safe. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a ditch or culvert, and cover your head with your hands. To report severe weather to the National Weather Service, please call 813-645-2323. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday evening for western Florida. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Pasco and Pinellas.